Nah.
Yeah, we need bars, man. Bars. Serious rap. I want to hit some rap, man.
Like I said, man, that's what I do. And this is my talent. I'm not afraid to showcase for that. So, you did that real quick, man. Listen. It's separation and hate, all for the power of $1. Most of these niggas is dead. Cowards start collapsing like the towers. We gon' hit them, then we split them. Put it up, and bust a ligament, his wig him. Hope the coroner could fit him. It's a shame I ain't got it. Was a plain colored kid, so he spotted polka dotted. I'm the flyest of the flyers. Take notice of your highness. Put pressure on my level, you'll be dying if you try. We could take it to the wall. I be doing well, in fact. I'm a soldier from the jungle. I done been through hell and back. Where the thugs is going for bodies and the rats are selling packs. And these bitches get the rest because the niggas fell in trash, but it's a new day, new hour, blowing on that new sour, mixed it with a bit of haze, now we got a new salad, so I got my mind right, and I got my heart right, so I'm starting to see, who these niggas sound like, bitch niggas, buns niggas, relatives to pussy niggas, wake up every morning thinking how I get this pussy nigga, I can't lie, nigga ride with some slides, but the fact of the matter is I'm better than these guys, as they cheddar to the sky, as these niggas take a flight, you can call me Arch Annie, dropping fellas from the sky, haha, y'all niggas so slow, I gotta laugh again, you wanna catch up, wait there, I'm about to pass again. I'm moving faster with the ratchet on the master plan. Once for the money, times two to flip the cash again. Cause you's a local out the social, I'm a veteran. You're like Noah, build her up, my reign will never end. Y'all ain't just hesitant, I'm always on my grizzly. Cause I hunger in my gizzy while you faggots watching Disney. So I'm kicking in your door and then I take it Cocoa Krispies. Have you spinning out the window like a motherfucking frisbee. If you suck, you trying to diss me, then I'm moving out the Uzi. He's spinning on his face. He started feeling woozy, so excuse me out the movie. Cause I'm moving with the toolie. I get double for my troubles. Cause I'm bubbly like jacuzzi. It sound like,
you know what I'm saying? We bubble like jacuzzis. Take your crib, take your goddamn Rice Krispies, Cocoa Puffs, all that, man. Real Brooklyn rap right there. That's real rap. My damn, my man Primo Suave just pretty much killed my damn show right now. He dropped the jewel. He dropped the rhyme. I don't know. I might have to give him the show. We'll have to next week, man.
Well, you already know, man. Well, we out here, like you said, cop and go, man. Shout out to my man Nick, yo, because my man Nick, he's the cameraman right here. Not only do we just sit there and run the show, but he got the barbershop business popping. That's why he's looking so swaggerific right here. There's only one over there,
you saw me in the, you know what I'm saying, the beginning crew, you know what I'm saying? We're looking nice out here. Brooklyn be looking, yo, they be talking about we looking grimy now.
Hey, tell them, man.
Beautiful out here, baby. Black and beautiful, man. You know what I'm saying?
Brooklyn all day.
That's how we do it, man. So, y'all get back to some videos, do something, or, you know, just rewind this. I know you're going to rewind it, don't try to swagger jack. Don't try to rearrange his rhymes, because I know them just attached. Don't do that, man. Just listen to it and give my man his props. My man Primo Suave, On Blast Radio, Cop and Go, Brooklyn, we in the house, man. Much love to everybody else, bro. This is Brooklyn always, man. Brooklyn always, man. Back to some videos or something, man. We out.